Happiness in heart.
Meneer, mag ik u wat vragen?
Huh?
Zou ik van u een foto mogen maken? U ziet er echt fotogeniek uit.
I don't know.
Can I take a picture?
No.
Look, this is my work.
Hmm?
This is what I made. Here, someone with a beer.
Advice to you.
Yeah,
I learn to you
yeah,
5 words.
yeah.
You are happy and your days is beautiful.
Okay.
Say La ilaha
La ilaha
illallah.
illallah.
La ilaha
La ilaha
illallah.
illallah.
What's the meaning? The meaning,
Yeah,
the God is the one.
the God is the one.
Yes. La ilaha
La ilaha
illallah.
illallah.
Repeat.
La ilaha
أيوة.
illallah.
Happiness in heart.
Yeah? Okay, let me
Yeah.
take one photo.
There you
Yeah? Okay, thank you so much. What's your name?
Mahmoud.
Mahmoud.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Can I send you the pictures?
Oh, good.
Yeah. Is it okay? I put the picture here.
Yeah.
Yeah? Thank you so much, my brother. Bye. La ilaha
Illallah.
illallah.
Okay. La ilaha
Illallah.